And the race is on. His Majesty Fabian Labi. Racing on the outside, Soul Provider. Dugu Sprite, My Sweet Leonora, Icy Dragon. And Amazing Damascus running at the tail of the field. Labi by about 2 lengths, followed by Soul Provider. His Majesty racing in third by about 2 lengths, rising up Icy Dragon. The Goose Sprite, My Sweet Leonora, and a long way back to Amazing Damascus. And rounding the far turn, Labi by about 5 lengths, followed now by His Majesty Soul Provider. Icy Dragon, the Goose Sprite racing by the rail as they race the final corner. Labi by about 3 lengths. His Majesty, the Goose Sprite is running by the rail. Icy Dragon, Soul Provider, Amazing Damascus. Labi followed now by His Majesty, the Goose Sprite. Danori inside. Labi Sprite moves up to grab the lead. And finally, the Goose Sprite, Labi, His Majesty, Amazing Damascus, Icy Dragon, My Sweet Leonora, and Soul Provider.